The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 12:15 p.m. At 11:21 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oostburg to 21 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The new temperature dropping into the middle 30s will result in frost formation. Areas affected include in Connecticut, Holland, Connecticut, and Windham, Connecticut counties. In Massachusetts, central Middlesex, Massachusetts, western Essex, Massachusetts, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, northern Bristol, Massachusetts, western Plymouth, Massachusetts, and northern Middlesex, Massachusetts counties. When? From midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts include frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Here are the 4 p.m. observations for the Cape Cod region.